Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to create pop-out effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. So now for the background I have taken a photo of mobile and my subject are flamingos. So on the subject layer click Ctrl A to select the subject and Ctrl C to copy it. Go on the background layer and click Ctrl V. Click on the move tool and resize your subject till it fits on your mobile screen. If you are not sure how to make your subject fit in your mobile screen, you can change the opacity of the subject layer and then adjust it in your mobile screen. Again change your opacity to 100%. After that, right click on the subject layer and select duplicate layer. Click OK. Now select the quick selection tool. Click on select subject. You can adjust the selection. If you want to subtract the selection, just hold Alt key and now you can subtract the selection. When your selection is ready, click on layer mask. After that, turn off the visibilities of those two layers. Then select pen tool and click on the four edges of your mobile screen. After that, use convert tool to make your selection refine. After making your selection refine, click Ctrl Enter to convert your path into selection. And now select the other layer and select layer mask. After that, turn on the visibilities of both layers. Your pop-out effect has been created. So friends, if you have liked this video, make sure that you click on the like button. Please let me know what else do you want to learn in the comment section. If you want to watch such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.